Right, welcome to another video. We are in Lydford Gorge. I'm with Jordan again. Be sure to check his channel out. I pointed to him and he ain't even here. We're heading down to the Devil's Cauldron. I'm going to read up on some history, and then as we're walking down there, let's have a chat, let's talk the history, and let's enjoy nature because it's autumn. There's some stunning colours here, there's waterfalls, there's a lot of history, and it's just my kind of walk, to be honest. So without further ado, let's get into this video. I forgot to add as well that this is no clickbait intended. This is the UK's only rainforest, so it's like the UK's Amazon or something. Granted, it ain't as big, but it's probably just as beautiful and less dangerous, so that's always a good thing. Just look at this sort. I can't really imagine what an actual rainforest would be like, but what does this say? Oh, some more information. A river is a moving body. Oh well, most people know what a river is anyway, don't they? But pause if you want to read it. I feel like I'm in Middle Earth or something, guys. It's stunning. Oh wow, look at that bridge. There's going to be a lot of photography opportunities here today. That is just simply stunning. Let me put the ISO down. Just look at that. Oh wow. I'm so glad I found this place. Ah. This is absolutely gorgeous. Let's just go and have a look at this. Oh God. Wow. Wow. That is gorgeous. This is surreal. Surreal, wow. Just look at this tree as well. It's just bent over into like an arch. Nature is truly just incredible. It really, really is. So the reason why this is classed as a rainforest is because there's high humidity and a low temperature range. And high rainfall. And then it goes into science stuff that I don't really understand, to be honest, and all big words that I'm too simple for. And I've just seen another bridge that looks very cool. And I'm assuming we are now getting closer and closer to the Devil's Cauldron. I hope I can say devil on YouTube anyway. Gotta watch what you say, these guys on there. I wonder if this would be a cool photo. Let me just... Just look how clear this water is though. And look at that. That is just stunning. There's only a bridge, but I just fell in love with nature, if I'm honest. This is cool, is what this is. Yeah, this is the bridge approaching the Devil's Gorge. This reminds me, guys, if you watched it, a lot of my Aberystwyth video. And funny enough, that is called Devil's Bridge.
That is actually true.
And it's, oh wow. That's the Devil's Gorge. So this is the gorge, guys. Wow. So we're now just walking up to the Devil's Gorge, and this place I highly recommend coming. It's £11 each to get in, which isn't too bad. It closes at the end of October, so we came at the right time realistically. And this is my first reaction of the gorge. Here we go. Wow. We were just down at that bridge. As you can see, this is something special. Wow. Oh, cheers. Drones just moved so we can just see a little bit more. Yeah, this is really, really cool. Right, so word of warning guys, it's going to be loud. You should be able to hear me on the mic. And wow, look at this, you can just see drippings. We have had a lot of rain in the UK as of late, so we're coming at the right time really. And as you can hear, wow. Look at the amount of water down there. There's a crazy amount. And here is the gorge itself. I'm just going to wait for these people, right? And then we can have our look then. So wow. Look how dangerous this is, right? But this is Devil's cauldron. So we're in the heart of it now, and it basically does look like a rainforest from it. So I imagine a rainforest would look like. If you look at this, that's why I imagine it is. Yeah, that's why I imagine a rainforest. This is just phenomenal, this is something different. So this was the way we just come in. And to be in this space is just so surreal. And the amount of water that's just coming down is plenty. Because like I keep on saying, there's been no end of rain. For the last weekend. Wales actually had a storm called Storm Ashley, but I don't know if they're in England. Right, so we're a bit further on from the gorge, and as you can see, it's mad to think, but it's like Devil's Bridge all over again. This is just surreal, this is. So this is called Tucker's Pool. It's 1/4 of a mile away. This is an out and back route. The path is extremely narrow with high drops, above fast falling water, no dog please. It's difficult to pass others safely. Right, we gotta be careful on this one, eh? We've gotta be careful. This is so cool. I keep on saying it. I wish I had other words to describe it, but alright, thank you. That's okay. Thank you. Thank you. Alright. It's true, it's an extremely narrow path to get past. I don't know what this leads to. We're then going to be leaving because, oh wow, this is cool. Again, I gotta stop saying that. But it's like a cave. So the other side of it, we're gonna be driving to, and there's a waterfall. But we gotta go back to Jordan's van first to see that. Look there when you come up. I was just telling Jordan to look in for his video, guys. The colours are just, yeah, I think we come the best time of year if I'm honest. The oranges, and it's just so surreal here. So we are now at Whitelady waterfall, I believe it's called. We drove up, it's about a mile or so up the road. Walking would have been a lot longer, and we've got other locations planned today. So this is why we're coming towards this way. So we're in another part of the rainforest, just so you can catch up and you know where we are. I have brought the old tripod just in case, get some long exposure shot. This is just what it's all about for me, exploring, seeing beautiful locations. And I think it's down there, there's another stunning bridge as well. Is it down there? What does that say? Oh, that's where we come from, to the Devil's Cauldron. I don't know if you can see it from here just because my lens, but that would have been the way we come from, basically, because it just links the paths. There's loads of mist about, so that is a sign that we're getting to the waterfall. We shouldn't be too far away now. You know, on this channel, I love a waterfall, so it's always worth a look. We'll be doing this waterfall, and then it's on to the next location. Bosh! So I haven't got a clue what we've just come across, but yeah, it is a cave. And it is very wet. Oh yeah, it's a very small cave as well. I just let Jordan get it, and I'm good. We're getting closer again now, I think. And the walk down to here, it's just been beautiful. Ferns have fronds. I think that's meant to be a pun. Oh yeah, some of the trees are massive, mine, aren't they? I think I read there's like an oak tree here somewhere, to be honest. I don't know how many times I've said it in this video, but we're coming to another absolutely gorgeous part of this rainforest, and I've been noticing this around. People have been hammering in money into logs and stuff. But yeah, this rope bridge is cool. I'm going to have to get Jordan to get a photo of me on this bridge. I just got a thing about bridges today, and hang on, because I need to take photos from here. Right, so I'm hearing some noise after the bridge. Oh my God. Just for comparison, look at Jordan and look at the size on this waterfall. Jesus. Yeah, this is what I was meant to have done. That is absolutely incredible. Wow, guys, just look at that. There's no beating it, is there? Wow. Waterfalls are just some of my favourite things, and yeah, that's just stunning. Yeah, so I'm just going to walk up to about here, because Jordan is taking some long exposures. As you can see in the video, I've also taken some on the old tripod and the 1000 ND filter, and I would say that's got to be at least 100-200 foot drop. That is crazy, absolutely mental. Right, so that was Lydford Gorge in Devon, as known as the UK's only rainforest. It's blown me away because you only see so much online. You've got to come here and experience it for yourself, I personally think. £11 is amazing, and that waterfall, just perspective on it is unbelievable. Like I said, it must be at least 100-200 foot. I really enjoyed it. I hope you did. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing for more content like this. If everybody could smash a like button, leave a comment down below. We're heading to the next location, so peace.